Hi, I'm Steve Brotman. In 2018, Trelleborg made a substantial multi-year donation to Isothermal's new Applied Sciences and Workforce Development Center. We value our partnership with Isothermal because we have a shared vision and need to develop the workforce of the future.
So this facility was meant to kind of be our sticking the flag on the side of the mountain saying we're all in as it relates to workforce development. And we know that that's going to be an issue that we can support you all from now on, using this facility and also showing up at your place to do whatever kind of training you need to make your workforce stronger.
I think the value from the exchange program with Trelleborg and Isothermal Community College for our students has been being able to experience the world. Many of our students had never traveled literally outside of Rutherford County, and be able to experience different cultures and to understand the global economy and to actually see it face to face and to meet people from other countries and other cultures was very eye-opening for our students, and it's going to serve them well as they continue forward in their careers.
As a student at Isothermal Community College, Trelleborg gave us the opportunity to do an international internship where we visited the headquarters in Sweden. This gave us a chance to put our knowledge to the test. As an employee at Trelleborg, I'm excited about the opportunities for growth and being able to expand my knowledge, and I hope that I'll be able to contribute back to the company.
The thing I would mention too that we talked about is we need to show scalability, and we need this partner like Trelleborg who's willing to be first. Just willing to be first to say, well, we've never tried that before. We've never tried an international internship program with a college before. We don't even know what that is, but we're willing to be first. And what you've seen, because of Trelleborg willing to step forward in that process, is now you're working with other companies. And for some of these other companies, it's important that a leader like Trelleborg be willing to step forward.
Right. And so they're not trying to just control and be the only ones that has this great program. They want it to be something that's going to impact our entire community, and that means a lot to me.
Yeah.